Yeah, so where we landed before was on the side of that lake. The lake was to our right when we approached from the north. And then the other area, it's across the other side of the lake.
That's the lake?
I don't know. Let's see, you see the helicopter anywhere? It's a big place. But we're not quite there yet. It's got to be inland a little bit more than this. I don't even know about those red roofs. I guess it is. It's the only thing out here.
That's a golf course.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's that place we toured.
Yeah.
There's the parking lot.
Yeah,
I think that's the lake we landed at. There's the helicopters right there.
We came in this way before.
Right there. See the helicopters?
Yeah. So I think we'll just come in over the trees.
Where Dave is?
Yeah.
See the Augusta?
Yeah. I'm going to come over the airport just to take a look. And it looks like less houses to go over. We'll just come back in the way we did before.
We're down and everything's good.
Okay, sounds good. We're going to come up here and turn onto the downwind. We'll be approaching from the north. Okay, RPM's good. Warning lights out. Instrument check. Carburetor heat on. How far out are you, Dinge?
10 miles, 10 minutes.
10 minutes, perfect. The winds look calm. We're going to approach from the north.
Roger.
Okay, RPM's good. Warning lights out. Instrument check. Everything's in the green. And you can turn on my trim phone, please.
Goes.
Thank you. Clear on the right?
Clear.
When you guys come in, if you come over and park next to me, just parallel to me by the trees, that's what might be best.
Roger, sounds good.
It's dead calm here. There's nothing going on.
Yeah, I just told Dinge. He's 10 minutes out. Okay, looking good. With our speed as much as we can until we get a little closer. Using the collective for the trajectory, the downward trajectory. Cycling for airspeed.
Dinge, can you hear me? Roger.
Carburetor heat off.
Parallel and next to Steve, that's probably the best spot. Roger that. It's wide open, huge area, and it's very calm. Thank you.
Oh, it's a perfect area.
Yeah, I like it better than the other
Yeah,
lake.
much better.
Watch the tail of those trees.